In this video, I'm going to teach you how to toggle portal level unsubscribe link setting in HubSpot. In order to do that, you first need to head over right here into your HubSpot dashboard. And from in there, proceed to go over to the settings or gear icon. Once you have clicked on that, you just need to locate the marketing or email section. So here's our email. And from in there, you should be able to see in here this. So we have our personal email for prospective agents, sales notifications, and the likes. You can also locate the compliance section if it's available right here. So if you want, you can click onto the search bar and then just search for compliance. You should be able to find it right here, which is the compliance email. So click on this right here. Then after that, you can just toggle the portal level unsubscribe link on or off available right there. Once you're done, you just need to save the changes. So that's all there is for today, and if you haven't signed up for HubSpot yet, make sure to use your affiliate links given in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.